Can you follow instructions and formulae carefully? Are you detail-oriented? Have you an aptitude for technical processes? Are you extremely safety conscious? Can you work well as a team member as well as on your own? If you've said yes to these questions, the occupation of juice extraction process controller might be the right one for you. Fruit and vegetables can be processed in many ways. Using them to make juice is one. Juice extraction process controllers are the technicians who operate the automated multifunctional machinery and equipment that extracts, mixes, blends and processes fruit and vegetable juice and purees. The juicing process starts with the fruit and vegetables being sorted and cleaned. Depending on the type of fruit, it's then peeled and cored or pitted. It then moves to the pulping or juicing unit where the fruit juice is extracted. The degasser unit eliminates gases contained in fruit pulp before homogenization and pasteurization occurs. The juice is then stored in holding tanks for further processing or bottled, canned or packed for distribution. The juice extraction process controllers operate and monitor the switchboards or computerized control systems in order to ensure that the juice processing operation runs smoothly. Before startup, they read work orders to determine production specifications. They set the equipment according to the production schedule and batch order requirements. During production, they communicate and supervise machine operators and other factory workers. The controller checks the equipment and takes readings from meters and gauges at established intervals during production. They also examine printouts and watch video monitors to check that the machinery is functioning within the specified processing parameters. At certain intervals, the controller draws samples to send to the laboratory for quality control checks and to ensure that the juice complies with specifications. If a malfunction occurs, the controller will shut down the machinery and attempt to clear the error. If necessary, they escalate the problem to the shift managers and maintenance engineers for assistance. The process controller monitors and adjusts process variables such as ingredient inputs, cooking times, acidity values, flow rates and temperature. They maintain and update the production records, logs and reports of each batch of juice prepared. The controllers supervise the closing down and cleaning of plant and machinery, and carry out minor maintenance work if necessary. There are stringent health regulations regarding food and beverage processing, and process controllers must ensure that these are adhered to during the production process. They also must be aware of safety regulations and make sure that they and the machine operators observe these at all times. The level of training, experience and education required for this position will depend on the employer. Often, experience and training in food and beverage processing is required. Trainees will receive further specialized training for the equipment they run. Some juice extraction process control operators choose to move into other process control occupations within the food and beverage manufacturing industry. For controllers interested in more advanced positions, such as food technology or production engineering, a diploma or degree would be required.